Okay, in this video we want to talk about your niche, and then we're going to do subsequent videos where I'm going to show you how to fine-tune your niche so that you can get your target market for whatever you're doing. And your niche, this is to a certain product or service. And what I mean on product or services such like insurance, air conditioning, electrical. A product can be the products like dogs, weight loss. You want to pick something that you know about. There I go, I forgot my N. Something that you know about, something that you like. This is when you're first starting, because after you get started, then you can branch out into different areas. But at first, you want something that you like to do, whether it's fishing, hunting, traveling, consumer electronics, iPhones, iPads, whatever it is, something that you like. This way that you won't get tired with it real easy. Okay? And so think about what you like, and you want to be able to write about it. You want to be able to gather information about it. You want to be able to present it to people. If you like it, it's going to make it a whole lot easier on you. So think about what your niche would be. And in the next videos, we're going to be going over niche selection more carefully so that you can target down doing the proper research. Okay, let's move on.